Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to upgrade the Remo Hobby 1631. Thanks to the viewers who put in their feedback. They wanted this one upgraded instead of the 1621. We're going to do that. That's coming up next on Micko RC. Catch you soon. Alright, so before we do the upgrade, we're going to do a speed run, speed test, see how fast this goes. There's a stretch of road pretty close by to our campsite. We're actually at camp at the moment, on holidays, just after Christmas. Boxing Day we left, and we arrived here yesterday and set up. And we're here for a few days, but that's never going to stop us from getting some RC stuff done. Alright guys, we'll do a speed test. Alright, zeroed out, and we've got some satellites. Alright, so we have a fully charged 2S LiPo here. Here's our first run and a speed test. We've got found a bit of road just outside the caravan park. Steering a bit. Oops. Oh, these are hard to control this. Angle. Oops. Alright. Okay. Alright, full throttle now. And we have stacked it. Right, one more run. One more run. Alright. And that should be enough.
There's car.
Thanks, bud. Alright, and I have to say, it's very, it doesn't stay straight on me, so it's very, uncontrollable. But let's have a look at the speed we got. The stock speed. 35 k's an hour.
35k.
Alright, so that's it on the standard brushed 2S LiPo, and I'll do the upgrade and then we can do a test afterwards. Let's check this out. Hardcore wrenching right there.
I'm trying to get the pin in.
Alright guys, we're still here at camp, and this is our setup. We've got a camper trailer 6, extended annex, and the 6 of us are actually fitting in there. It's got a great queen size bed in there. There's 2 queen size beds in there at the moment. There's our kitchen area. These are the tents of my extended family. We're all here, and it's time to get to some serious business. I've got a spare moment to work on the Remo Hobby 1621. I'm going to SMAX, and I'm going to do an upgrade with the brushless parts and metal parts that were sent to me by Banggood. Thanks Banggood for sending these parts to me to review and install. We've got the metal second level or upper deck, brushless ESC combo with receiver, and we have a 3-wire servo, brushless motor 2440. It's a 36 kV motor. And lastly, a metal drive shaft, center drive shaft. As you know, it comes with a plastic drive shaft. So I've got a moment now to install these. The receiver combo ESC, that should work automatically with the stock transmitter that came with the 1621, and so I shouldn't have any issues with that binding. Don't have to buy another transmitter. I got these Remo Hobby oil-filled shocks, which I flogged off my Remo 1621. So that'll improve the performance again, so I might as well chuck those on. And if I've got time, I'll install some LED lights, a spare kit that I had from another car that I took out, I don't need. But yeah, we'll see how it looks after that, and we'll do a bit of a night run. But yeah, guys, I'll commence the upgrades. All right, guys. So I've taken the two front bumpers off, or the two bumpers off, the front and the back bumper off. And what I want to do is start with the drive shaft, because that's the hardest part to get into the car. So I was taking this off and thought, you know, I'm going to have to remove this plastic deck, but it turns out that you don't have to actually remove it, and you're just adding this metal piece on top of it, which is fantastic. All you have to do is screw in the screws that come in the pack, and away we go. So I just remove the screws on top to that hold the deck in, and then this just goes on top of it, so it fits nicely in there. Okay, so I've got the center drive shaft out, and I'm about to remove the gears on these and install it onto the metal drive shaft. Okay, so I finished installing the spur gear onto the new metal drive shaft, and these gears, I don't know what they're called. It's a 1.5mm hex nut to secure them, and I put a bit of Loctite in just to secure it and make sure it doesn't come apart. Center drive shaft is in, and now we'll replace the motor with the brushless. Okay, so it looks like I've done the hardest parts, which is the center drive shaft and the second level, and also the brushless motor. So now I'll just finish it off with the brushless ESC receiver combo and the 3-wire servo, and I'll put on the oil shocks. Alright guys, I've got the oil shocks installed, Remo Hobby oil shocks. I've got the ESC receiver combo installed. Switch here hasn't been stuck on anywhere, I'll just leave it dangling for now. Motors installed, and the second level metal top deck, metal drive shafts there, you can see, and just about to test it. Battery. Oh, and yeah, the 3-wire servo, of course, is there. And looks like it's, yep, definitely working. Alright guys, I've installed the LED lights on. I've got a set here on the front and a set here on the back, and the same wiring goes to the front here on the body shell and some in the back. And let's see how it looks. That's how it looks, guys. Don't know if you can see it on camera, but see how that nicely goes through the plastic. Let me just turn the receiver on. Anyway, I'll do a night run so we can see what that looks like at night time. You can see here at the back, two lights here on the bumper, and the two red lights here going through the shell of the car. That looks good. All right, now let's give it a test run, eh? Too dark, but yeah, you get the idea. Let's do some donuts. Woo. Nice. All right. Dust. I'll just turn off the flash. Wow. Alright, looks pretty cool, guys. Alright guys, I'm just going to do a quick test run. First test run on brushless. I don't have a fully charged battery.
Wala na.
Alright, so we've got a battery all charged up to 2S LiPo, and I'm putting the speed meter here, and we're going to go for a quick speed test on the brushless setup of this car. Alright guys, here's the speed test here. Let's do it. Let's fix the trim. I'll wait for that car to go. I have to admit the steering on this is pretty sensitive, and I don't like it actually. Really sensitive. Okay, let's do this first run. Bit wobbly. Full throttle. We'll see what we got. Alright guys, let's see what the speed is. Oh, 46 kilometers an hour. So that's the speed we get now on brushless.
Little.
Got a bit of water in the road, which is good. Do some donuts.
What just happened? It's recording.
Oh, that'll lose my thing already.
Drive shaft's in the gutter. Drive shaft's in the gutter. Point the camera here. There it goes. Yeah. Looks like someone's lost the centre drive shaft here. Oh no, he's got front wheel drive still. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this upgrade to the 1631 Remo Hobby SMAX 1/16 scale monster truck. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming content that I have uploaded on my channel. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.
shocks are good.